thing.
This is Surprisingly Geeky with Lunar Dawn and on debit.
I'm beating things.
So, what did you just get?
I have no idea. Something or Raider? Okay, well it's an anti-gravity device.
Cool.
I guess.
He's the boss. No, he's not the boss. He's the boss of the second one, isn't he? Technically? Captain Quark? You fight him though, right?
Do I?
Pretty sure you fight Captain Quark in the second one. I think he's kind of the boss, but then the real boss is like a caterpillar or something that he was harvesting. I don't remember.
No, there's definitely those pets, the bioengineered pets.
Yeah.
In the second game, and Captain Quark is often in league with the bad people for one reason or another. But I don't think he's actually a boss fight. I do have to go to like his place. What's that? This one. Damn it! I don't remember. It's this game now. Where you actually have to go to like where he's hiding out, and it's full of things that look like him. Full of enemies. There's the word I was looking for. Oh well. That's not just such a kick in the teeth. Oh look, I can go over here. No, there's the button for it on the other side. How do I get there? From there, I think. Okay. I can't jump. I guess I'll fall off. Okay. Let's see if I have enough money for the other thingy. Yep. Being shut? No, hey. That's not right.
I was waiting for that to happen.
Why did it take so long? The hell?
I think that's not how you get over there.
Pretty sure it is. First time. Aww.
Oh wait,
That's
do those count as deaths?
Yeah, those
So
count
worth
as
it.
deaths.
Now then.
Yeah.
It's actually been a while since you've had a legitimate death.
I guess so. What do you mean a legitimate death?
Well, I think you technically die a bunch of times in the races, but I've just been too annoying to count them all.
I never really died. Okay, this is another one. I'm trying to skip this one platform. I shouldn't. Okay, that's just a phrase that people should be saying in real life.
What?
I think it's been a little while before you've legitimately died. Just, this has all kinds of meanings. Yeah, my grandfather died yesterday, but he didn't legitimately die.
Well, I mean, there are non-legitimate deaths, like when you die on the table and you are resurrected. A couple of seconds.
But if you actually died during that operation, say, how is that death not legitimate?
Well, because how do we even know what a true death is? Like, people, like, we say that, somebody has died if their heart stops beating, but they're clearly not actually dead yet if the soul can be brought back.
Ah. I really like that I don't have to keep equipping my wrench. Its attack is a separate button from the rest of my other attacks.
Is that not how it is in all the games?
Yes, it is.
You saying that you like it?
Yes.
It is good.
It sort of brings to mind the Zelda Ocarina of Time water temple that everybody hates so much. It's gonna make me go back and refill this. Can you continue from that?
Alright.
I'll be back in a sec.
Now, I am playing.
Don't you fuck it up.
I don't even know what any of the controls are. Right, so through. That is a slow camera. Got my moves back. That's been surprisingly geeky. I am on Divot, and I'll see you next time.